Hi, welcome to Risa channel. I'm Trisa and you can call me Risa. And today we are going to make this hair bow with butterfly shape. Stay tuned. The first thing is we are going to make the template. I'm going to prepare a square fabric with the size about 16 centimeters. It's about 16 centimeters. It's about 6 inches past a quarter inch, 6¼ inch. Fold it in half. I'm not used to inches measurement. I always use centimeters measurement. And fold it in half again. And we are going to measure the half of the paper. That is about 8 centimeters. Measure all around. And connect the dots here. And we are going to cut the paper. And we can have a perfect circle shape. Next is to prepare a cotton fabric. I'm using a cotton fabric here, and you can literally use any fabric, but for beginners I always suggest to use cotton fabric because cotton fabric is the easiest to sew. We are going to draw the circle shape right here. Make sure that the fabric is folded in half. Make sure that even cotton fabric has the right side and the wrong side. Yes, this is the wrong side. Draw the circle shape on the wrong side. After you draw the circle shape, I would like to fold the paper in half and mark the center here. Because we are going to sew this part. If we mark the center here, we will know where to leave the opening. Next, I will make another one with 12 centimeters circle. So you know what to do. We fold the fabric in half using the same paper, and then I will measure about half from 12 centimeters is 6 centimeters. Like this, connect the dots and cut the paper. And there you go, we can have a perfect circle shape. So I'm going to take another fabric. It's 2 pieces. We are going to draw the circle shape once again. And do the same thing, we fold the paper in half and then mark the center here. And we are going to sew this part. As you can see here, I leave an opening right on the mark here. And we are going to cut the circle shape. And remember, when you are sewing a curvy line or circle shape, you have to clip the edge here. After this, we just turn the fabric right side out. Turning fabric can be a little tricky, so I would like to use my watercolor paintbrush to push every corner of the fabric. After we push the edge of fabric, I would like to press the fabric flat down. Pressing the fabric. After this, I'm going to mark the center of the fabric, and make sure that when you mark the center of the fabric, mark it from the opening right here. So take the ruler, fold it in half and mark the center, and do the same thing. So we find the opening here. I'm going to mark the center right on the opening so that we can hide the opening perfectly. And I'm going to draw the centerpiece here, so fold this in half. I'm going to mark the center here. Okay. Now fold the fabric in half, the exact center, and put it right on the center that we just draw here, as you can see. And we are going to sew this part. When we sew the fabric together, it can hold the fabric perfectly. Now I'm going to gather the fabric from here to here. Gather the fabric, adjust a little, tie it, secure the thread. And now I'm going to attach a hair clip to here, and I'm a little confused. Should I make this as the front side or this one as the front side? I think I will use this, but I also love this one. Let's just use this one. Attach a hair tie or hair clip as you wish. I'm going to attach a hair clip with hot glue gun, of course. And I get a lot of questions about how I attach my barrette clip. As you can see, every hair clip that I know, every barrette clip that I know, they have a little holes right on the left side and the right side. As you can see, these two barrette clips are different design, but they have the holes on the left and the right side. So depending if you want to attach it using hot glue gun or hand stitch this, these two holes is the key to hold the clip more secure. If you want to attach it using hot glue gun, make sure that the hot glue is passed through these two little holes like I did on this. As you can see, the hot glue is passed through these two holes, so it's more secure to hold the clips on our hair bow. If you want to use hand stitch, you may need to use some hot glue right in the center here, and then you attach it, and then you just hand stitch on both left and the right side through this hole here. And now I'm going to attach the centerpiece and prepare the fabric. I use about 5 inch by 2 inches. 5 inch by 2 inches. I fold the fabric to the center and then fold the fabric in half, and I'm going to attach it to the center like this, and we are going to sew this part for the last time. To sew the centerpiece, I always move my needle here to the left side so it gets really close to the hair bow, and we can just start to sew it. Cut the excess fabric, flip it over. After we flip the centerpiece, I would like to attach some hot glue gun here to make sure that the centerpiece stays in place. And there you go! Our beautiful butterfly hair bow is finished! Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. If you don't, just hit the dislike button and comment about what you don't like. See you in my next video. Bye!